we are going to explain the negative. What is the negative? Present perfect continuous. The second part of then present perfect continuous. So what is the second part? The first part was the affirmative. Okay, affirmative structure. And today we are going to elaborate the negative. Okay, negative, we will make the negative structure. Okay, negative structure. Let's go on the board. Okay, first we have to mention here negative. Okay, negative is always when you are talking about the negative, people said to you, please keep quiet, don't tell anything negative. Okay, so but here's the necessary in the grammar in English. There's the necessary and also Urdu and also English and also Arabic and also another other languages. So there is a necessary. So the first of all, a present perfect continuous. Okay, so the present perfect continuous. So we have to mention first of all what the structure. Okay, structure. So what is the structure? Subject plus have been, have, then you have to use not. Then you have to use not. Then you have to use has. Okay, has not. Then been. And after that, what you want to add? Verb first form plus in and object. Object. Okay, object since for. Oh my God. For and time. So according to this formula, so you can make a lot of sentence. Understand? I hope you understand. So the first is the subject and second is have not, has not. Then you have to use been, verb first form with the ing and object since for time. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. According to this formula, you can make sentences. So let's make 4 sentences. I have not been writing a letter. I have not been writing a letter. You can close chapter here. Again, you can close the chapter here. This is the complete sentence. And if you want to, since for, you can mention the time also. You can mention the, how much time, how long you was working. Okay. So this is actually the since and formula. Since and for is showing how much time you give, how much time you was writing, how much time you was driving, how much time you was working. Okay, so she has not been doing work on her project. Okay, on her project. She has not been doing work on her project. This is also the fantastic. So if you understand the scenario, first of all, if you understand the structure, so you will make a sentence and you will understand the things exactly. But The one more important thing is you have to understand the structure first. When you will understand, so definitely you will make examples, you will make the sentence, and those sentence you practice with your friends, with your in classroom. Okay, also. So if you want to learn the things that you should have to practice every single day, then you will make. So there is the I, she, have we have not been practicing English. uh, we have not been practicing English. This is also the complete. So if you are not practicing, you should practice. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand this structure. The structure is a very unique, and definitely you will understand very easily. So if you have a doubt, you can drop the message. Thank you so much watching this video, and tomorrow I will again make a new formula for you, a unique formula for you. So you will use that also. And please follow, share, and like this video. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you.